Sowson here. We have an amazing meal for you. It's a gorgeous rice dish, unlike any other dish. It has loads of flavour, loads of colour, and I guarantee you, you will be making this over and over again. I have washed and rinsed Basmati rice to get rid of any excess starching. I also have used 3 cups or mugs, and that should be enough to pretty much feed maybe 6 to 8 people. To every cup of rice, you're going to add 1.5 cups of water. In my case, because I do this on many occasions, I'm going to show you how you can do another kind of measuring by just putting the rice in the pot and then just adding the water just so it literally sits on top of the rice. Okay, we are now adding the water. And as you can see, it's just going to sit on top. I have added cold water. Some people do add hot or warm. I'm going cold. Bit of salt, and I'll just let it boil all up together. And of course, a drizzle of olive oil. Turn it on, and we're ready to go. Once it comes to boil, just grab your lid, turn down to low, put the lid on top, leave it and walk away. Do not lift that lid until it's ready. It should take 10 minutes. Mixing it all up till it's nice and brown and it's all separated. Don't be scared that there's too much water around the meat. It's actually the excess fat and it will dry out. Time for the pine nuts. A little bit of drizzle of olive oil. We're gonna pretty much bring that to roast. Turn it on and watch it go nice and brown. Pine nuts can be a little bit expensive. There is an alternative by using almonds. While everything is simmering away, I've actually put together a crazy cucumber and mint yogurt. It goes amazing with the rice dish. I've already chopped up half a cucumber. Just add it to the yogurt. Now it is a Greek yogurt that we are using. Adding mint from my garden. And what we're going to do, combining it all together. That looks gorgeous. Adding a little bit of olive oil on top. Watch the magic happen. This is pretty tricky. I don't recommend everyone does this. 1, 2, 3. Gotcha. Okay, here we go. Oh my goodness. Woo! That is gorgeous. Gorgeous. 3 magic ingredients. Rice, our beef mince, gorgeous roasted pine nuts, and believe it or not, I know this looks like it's taken me hours to make, but it really hasn't. Half an hour is all it took. Of course, we're going to top it up with just a little bit of chopped parsley. Just drizzle it all over. Masterpiece right here. Now, taste my little yogurt. That is good. Let me just open this up for you, show you what it looks like. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Gorgeous, really good stuff. Absolutely gorgeous. What can I say? Like and share, people. Subscribe to me. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, goodbye.